So in our last video you learned how to strike an arc. Well, in this video I'm going to show you what a pad of beads is. Basically the same practice as we did before of striking an arc on those 3 plates. Only we're going to run a full length from one side to the other of the plate. So here we have our plate from the last video. We're just going to finish it across. Now you might be asking yourself, why do this and what is it a good practice for? Well, running a pad of beads is practicing for surfacing, which is a common welding process used to build up material that is going to be either machined or is going to be a wear resistance called hard facing. But it is a good practice and is one of the best ways to learn how to weld. So let me get the welder fired up and I'll be back to welding. So here I've run a full length bead from one side of the plate to the other. That's what a good, nice, flat bead looks like. Now we're going to run some more of those, and I'll come right back to you. Now I'm going to stop here for now, but of course you should continue all the rest of the way across the plate, so that way you get the practice that you need. So that'll be it for this video. Next time I'll be doing T-joints. Tune back in for that. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell icon so you'll be notified for our future videos.